What a great Sunday, man. Wait, what? Hey, man, what you doing? What the hell? What you doing, man?
Just 5 sets of groceries, Aaron.
Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Brown Barber Club. If you are new here, welcome to our channel. Please consider subscribing, and if you are the returning subscriber,
Hey, how you doing?
as you guys saw the farmer handles that we are using in the starting of this video, and we have been using this from almost 3 weeks, and some of you from the Instagram asked about to have a review on this one. So it was already planned, so here it is. And I'm sure you guys saw that it has a very unique and very different style of these farmer handles. These farmer handles are not the same that you guys see in your gym or in any strongman competitions. It has a very unique style. Without further talking, let's unbox them, test them, and come back for my review on these farmer handles. Alright, these guys are out of the box now, so let's open these. So it's packed pretty good in bubble wrap. Ooh, they look really good. Not bad, eh? Alright, let's go to the gym and see if they are really worth it or not. Let's go. Before we start the review of these farmer handles, for the new subscriber, I just want to tell you that for everything that we buy in our garage gym, we put up review and detailed specifications for every equipment that we have bought in the last year. So you can check out these videos. Now let's review these farmer handles. I'll be reviewing them on 5 different factors: price, design, finish, capacity, and durability. For the price, I would say they are really cheap. I bought them under $90, including taxes, and delivery was free. It's a huge factor if you are living in North America, and the delivery was really quick with the Amazon Prime. I'm really impressed how they have chosen the Amazon Prime for their delivery across North America, because that's the huge issue. Doesn't matter if you live in Canada or upper parts of America. On the design factor, I don't think it's a patent for Synergy, because other companies do produce the similar or the same farmer handle style. But I think it's pretty unique that they have incorporated this style in their product line. It's compact, it's really easy to use if you are a garage gym lifter, or even if you are a gym owner for like a small studio gym. I think it's gonna be a perfect addition to your gym. Finish is really good considering the price range. The handles are really smooth because they have used the powder coat finish for the handles and the vertical arm which carries the weight. I haven't seen any sharp edge which can hurt you while doing the farmer carries. And guess what? It makes your garage gym look really aesthetic and cool. Capacity wise, on their website they have rated one farmer handle for almost 300 pounds, which is really good if you are a power lifter or if you're a strongman. So technically you are doing 600 pounds with these farmer handles, which is really good. I'm amazed. We have tested these farmer handles only till 200 and 250 pounds LBS range. The reason was that we have a thicker plates in our garage gym. But if you have thinner plates in your garage or in your gym, I think this can go up to 300 pounds easily. So which is a huge win considering the price range. And now let's talk about the durability. We have been using these farmer handles only from last 3 to 4 weeks. So far we haven't seen any wear and tear on the equipment. On top of this, they do have warranty for you. So if you are a home gym owner or a garage gym owner, you will have 1 year warranty. And if you are a commercial gym owner, they will give you 6 months of warranty, which I don't think it's bad, it's pretty good. Now let's talk about the few things that I didn't like. Now wait, I'm not trying to be a Karen here, but I think there are a couple of points on which they can improve on in future. The first feedback is on aesthetic. It's not a biggie. I think I would love if they will have a laser engraved sticker in the future or a better quality sticker which will not easily rip off from the farmer handles. Second thing that they can improve on is the protection of this equipment. I noticed that while doing the farmer carries for the extended period of time, if you just throw the farmer handles on the ground, it can ruin the finish of this product in the long run. So if you don't care about the aesthetic, you are good. But if you do, I think what they can do is they can put up a protective rubber near the handles so that whenever it's hitting the ground, it doesn't ruin the finish of the equipment. So that's all. Alright, I love this product and I highly recommend it if you want to have one addition to your home gym or your commercial gym. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Until next video, be strong, stay safe.